Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. Now I am telling about type of switches. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Types of electrical switches. Electrical switches are nothing but it is a semiconductor device. These switches are more useful because of their low cost, small size and reliability. Generally, this type of switches is used in integrated circuit, electrical motors drive, have a application and also widely used as digital output of controller. Some type of electrical switches. Number 1 relay, number 2 bipolar transistor, number 3 power diode, number 4 MOSFET, number 5 IGBT, number 6 SCR, and number 7 Triac. Relay work on the principle of electromechanical, so this switch is also known as electromechanical switch. When current passes through a coil, it will create a magnetic field around the coil. Relay are available in wide range of voltage and current. Bipolar transistor. Bipolar junction transistor has three terminal: base, emitter and collector. Transistors are work on three region: cut off, saturation and active region. For switching purpose, active region is not used. If sufficient amount of current is available at base terminal, transistor enter to saturation region and current will flow through collector, emitter and transistor act as on switch. If base current is not sufficient, current is open and current cannot flow through the collector, emitter and transistor enters in to cut off region. In this region, transistor act off switch. Transistors are used as an amplifier in electronic application and it also used the make a gate like and not in digital circuit, and transistor is also used as a switching device in integrated circuit. Power diode. Power diode have two terminals, anode and cathode. Diode is made up of P and N type semiconductor materials and make PN junction, which is known as diode. When diode is in forward, base current flow through the circuit and in the receiver's base blocks currents. If anode is positive with respect to cathode, diode is in forward based and acts as a switch on. Similarly, if cathode is positive with respect to anode, diode is in reverse base and acts as switch off. Power diodes are used in power electronic applications like rectifier, voltage multiplier circuit and voltage clamper circuit, etc. MOSFET. MOSFET means metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. MOSFET has three terminals: gate, drain and source. MOSFET is work on two base form: depletion type and enhancement type. If gate source voltage VGS is not sufficient, MOSFET works as depletion type and depletion mode of MOSFET is similar to off switch. If gate source voltage VGS is sufficient, MOSFET work as enhancement type and enhancement mode of MOSFET is similar to on switch. Range of switching of MOSFET is tens of neon second to a few hundred microseconds. MOSFET used in linear voltage regulator, copper and audio frequency power amplifier, etc. IGBT insulated gate bipolar transistor. IGBT is a combination of BJT and MOSFET. IGBT has a high input independence and high switching speed as well as low saturation voltage. IGBT has three terminals: gate, emitter and collector. IGBT can control with the use of gate terminal. IGBT is used in inverter, traction motor control, induction, heat and switched mode power supplies. SCR. Silicon controller rectifier. SCR has three terminals: gate, anode and cathode. Working of SCR is same as diode, but SCR start conduction when it is in forward base and positive clock pulse at the gate is also required. In forward base, if clock pulse of gate is 0, SCR turned off by force commutation, and in reverse base, SCR is remain in off state same as diode. SCR are used in motor control, power regulators and lamp dimming. Triac. Triac is same as two SCRs connected in inversely parallel with gate connected. Triac is bi-direction device. Triac has three terminals: main terminals 1 empty, main terminals 2 empty 2 and gate. Empty 1 and empty 2 terminals are connected with circuit which we want to control, and gate is available for triggering pulse by positive voltage or negative voltage. When empty 2 terminal is at positive voltage with respect to empty 1 terminal and gate is also positive, trigger the SCR1 of triac triggers. When empty 1 terminal is at positive voltage with the respect to empty 2 terminals and gate is also positive, trigger the SCR2 PF triac triggers. Triac can also used for both source AC and DC, but generally triac is used in AC application like motor control, switching in light, etc. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friends. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.